you take me home? Give me with your ride. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home?
I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you, with you.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home? Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky.
When Mama said that it was okay, Mama said that it was right, alright. Our kind of people had a bed for the night, and it was okay. Mama told us we were good kids.
Engine 1 fire.
Listen to the ones.
Engine 2 fire.
Making fun, 'cause we were good kids.
Remember asking both my mom and dad why we never traveled to exotic lands. We only ever really visit friends. Nothing to tell when the summer ends. We never really went buying clothes. Folks were passing on the stuff in plenty loads. New shoes once a year and then out to play ball so we could ruin them. Mama said that it was okay. Mama said that it was quite alright. Our kind of people had a bed for the night, and it was okay. Mama told us we were good kids, and Daddy told us never listen to the ones pointing nasty fingers and making fun, 'cause we were good kids. Don't get me wrong, I didn't have it bad. I got enough loving from my mom and dad, but I don't think they really understood when I said that I wanted a deal in Hollywood. I told them I'd be singing
Engine
on
1
TV.
fire.
The other kids were calling me a wannabe.
Engine 2 fire.
The older kids, they started bugging me, but now they're all standing right in front of me. Mama said that it was okay. Mama said that it was quiet.